Hello, Luke. How are you? How are you? Say fine.
Fine.
Good. Let me see your outfit. Oh, you have an army clothes on. And what color are your shoes? What color are your shoes?
Black.
Oh, they're black. Are they your favorite shoes?
Yes.
They are? Well, show me how your shoes can march. March shoes. Oh, yes. Attention. Stop. Good. Now let's see you walk. Can you walk? Oh, look, those are special walking shoes. Now let's see you stop. Good. Turn around in a circle. Stop. Sit down. Good boy. Get up. Arms up. Arms down. Run. Stop. Come back. Stop. March. Stop. Stand at attention.
Tick-tock.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.